I'm Stephen Jack Butella.
And I'm Jill DeWitt.
We are the founders of Land Academy.
We provide the education, tools, and support you need to be flipping property like the pros.
Over the years, many individuals have asked to learn from Jill and I on a one-on-one personalized basis in a specific environment.
We saw this by creating Land Academy Career Path a few months ago, and now we are so excited to be announcing round 2.
When we started, again, we got the course and we were brand new to this whole business. We were brand new to real estate pretty much. So it was kind of overwhelming when we got the course. And then that's when we were saying to ourselves, we need a coach or something. We need more guidance along the way.
A little bit more hand-holding.
Yeah, because we understood the business process, but we felt confused on some of the steps on how to deal with it. It was a lot of information.
Doing the land business for about 4 years, and I just kind of was looking at anything that would help me tweak my business and help me take it to the next level.
Career Path is for beginners or experienced investors. We can help you start a business or grow an existing one. Remember, it's personalized for you.
This is a 10-week virtual program allowing for 15 attendees and run by Jill and I personally. It all starts June 30th.
My favorite feature for Career Path was probably office hours. It's just a small group of like-minded people where everybody's kind of going after the same goal.
The best feature of Career Path was, first of all the information was presented top-notch. Obviously, things change so fast and the tools change so fast. So basically, Steve and Jill presented what they're doing now in their business with the most up-to-date tools, which was a game changer for us.
My best feature was the community. It's like an intimate group of people. We felt totally comfortable reaching out to the other people that were more advanced in the course, and they were so helpful. They answered our questions. It was great to be able to sort of ask anything.
So where can you sign up?
Enrollment is open now, and details are available at landacademy.com/career path.
And we aren't just taking anyone. There's a brief application process.
We want to make sure you're a good fit and set up to succeed.
Anybody that is in the land business for their career, or that's what they want to be, is their career. Anybody that is that serious about it, we would say it's highly worth the cost, because if you learn what we learned in Career Path, there's no way you can fail.
So I personally think Career Path is great for somebody that really does want to make land investing their career. It's got to be somebody who's definitely serious, who really wants to buckle down, make this their career, and make a lot of money.
If this sounds like you, check out more information at landacademy.com/career path. With only 15 spots available, you want to get your application in today.
You are not alone in your real estate ambition.